that you have to take the punch in the face and get back into a trade if you like the short side, and look for a little bit deeper time frames to help support your ideas. Well, here's one right here, the green line. Another one is the, on the daily, the 10-minute chart rather than the 5, a little bit deeper time frame. And then you've got to break the green line and the red line and the blue line, and then stay under these lines to keep this an umbrella trade. So first things first, let's assume that it's part of today's psychology. Come back in and retest the IB high. Come back in and retest, obviously, this breakout from our previous resistance zone. That's all we know. Thanks, Zeke. That's all we know. And if you like the short side, then you have to understand that this is a bear flag. We said probably get a bear flag. But the 42 to 45 should be a high odds shorting zone. So that's several days now. There's your bear flag. And then the key is on pullbacks, if you break the 42s, then the next level of support should be back here. This was another launch right here, right, from 37. So we got to take that out to undo the longs. And you open up the door to come back in and retest further. Step by step. And this was a lunch contra. We said if we get lucky, we'll get a lunch contra. And I had said that if we could get back to the 39 to 38 tests, I'd be happy. I'd want to see it coming this way rather than going the other way. And this 10-minute chart was really very helpful. And there is a big boy in the trade. We know that. Primary was long today. This is a contra until proven otherwise. What's going on with NQ? NQ retested, but it's still stronger. Keep an eye over here. 60-minute chart. That was a retest of this breakdown here. We said at the time much stronger than the rest. For those of you who like the long side, much better odds back near the 28 than near the 42s. Simple as that. And then once the 10-minute chart has helped, then put it on something like the 5, because you can frame this in your mind. You can already see that relationship. And put it back to a smaller time frame. Love this trade. Still in lunch. Lunch contra. There's our 37s. See if we can knock these guys out right there. Good trade. Anybody that's coming, there's a little double in here. Is where the launch came from. So it takes time to undo see. Traders that got beat. Got 36 1/4 as the middle. Good trade. Anybody that's come short side. Good trade. Let's see. The magnet, 36 1/4. We got a magnet. The big power pivot is 44 1/4. That was on the money. So got to keep that as resistance for now. Well done. Anybody that played lunch today, you can pay for lunch. That's for sure. Well done, guys.